Hi everyone, this is Kerry here in the blacksmith shop. I just thought I'd do a quick video clip on this old Camelback drill press. I've just now gotten put back together and in operation. It was given to me by a good friend a few months ago, and he'd already had it disassembled and a lot of the old paint and stuff stripped off of it and cleaned up. A neat old drill. I didn't think at the time that I'd get as interested and involved with detailing it and making it a functioning piece, but it's plenty functional, plenty workable. So I have just now made up some leather flat belts, and I've got an independent electric motor on it instead of it running by a line shaft flat belt like it originally would have had. I just mounted the motor low here on the floor. Set of dry pulleys there at the bottom, and have drilled my first hole with it. So there's a quick look at it, and let me turn the switch on once and we'll listen to it and watch it in operation. This is a W.F.&J. Barnes company, manufactured in Rockford, Illinois, with a patent date there of September the 23rd of 1883. It's a neat old drill. It's going to be real handy here in the blacksmith shop, and I'm looking forward to making good use of it, and maybe hearing from anybody who might have a similar piece or needs advice or information. I've learned a lot putting this thing back together, and like I say, here in the blacksmith shop it fits right in. So thanks for watching.